In this video, we're going to configure Alteryx to open up some workflows by default for us. You may have noticed that when you open up Alteryx Designer, you have a Start Here workflow. And this workflow is something that Alteryx built and included so that you can understand how to do some of the basic and intermediate things, and you also have some useful links. Sometimes people will turn this off because they already know all the content here. What they might not know is that we can put our own workflows as replacements of Start Here or in addition to Start Here. Basically, we can have our own workflows and templates start up in each instance of the designer. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to make sure that we have this feature enabled. Let's go up here to the menu bar to Options, User Settings, Edit User Settings, and we want to make sure that Show Start Here at Startup is checked on. Okay, that is. And what I want to do is I want my Alteryx library workflow to be a default. I want it to start up with Alteryx every time. I've covered this workflow in another video. This is what I use to build my code blocks and do documentation and annotation of my workflows. All right, next thing I need to do is on my Start Here workflow, I'm going to right-click on it and click Open Containing Folder. That opens up Windows Explorer for me, and I can see that this Alteryx path with this subfolder here, Start Here, contains the workflow. What I want to do is I want to find the path of my other workflow. So I'll do the same thing. I'll open up the containing folder. And I'm going to copy this Alteryx library and paste it into this Start Here. Now what I can do is I can launch Alteryx. And what's going to happen is that Alteryx is going to open up all the workflows that are in this subdirectory. Because I have Start Here and the Alteryx library, it'll open up both for me. Okay, it's launching now. And we're successful. So we have our blank new workflow 1 canvas open. We have our Start Here open. And then we also have the Alteryx library, my workflow, open. And that's all we have to do. We just have to drag in the workflows that we want to open by default into that folder. And every time we launch Alteryx Designer, it'll open them up for us. So the logical next step is if we want to remove Start Here and just keep our files, we can just delete it from this subdirectory. Thank you for watching.